that I am back in Jamaica. Oh my god, Ocho hot. I must say that Panama is hot, not as hot as in Jamaica, but because we leave the house in the AC, go in the Uber the AC, go on mall with AC, anywhere we are go AC today. Jamaica, anyway I gotta be a sun. Nobody not burn them AC. Nobody not get the AC in a cool. If I was smart to go in, somebody smart to them burning down fire hot. Anyways, I am at Dunn River Falls. Jesus, I never catch no color over so, and I never catch on. I'm come out here and I got burn up more. Yeah, take picture up there, so I take picture down there. Take picture down there, so when you go inside. Anyways, yeah, so that's what's up. This is egg. That is the exit only. It's an exit only. No, sir. I like fire. We are doing different people with the family, so yeah. We're not crying with my mother, I'm crying with my father and everybody else, you know? Straight family. At the end of the year though. But that's good, that's what's up. So yeah, so hot. This is outside the entrance of Dunn River Falls, people. Yeah, so they have the entrance like this, and you have to walk from up that side to come down here. If you guys ask me, I can't see nothing under this glass. I can't even see what I'm really videoing like that, but yeah, first time I'm actually wearing this glass. It's more of a beach vibe, so it kind of fits in perfect for now. Just that I can't see now on the camera that made a video, so yeah.
$5.
Alright, what time they close?
5.
5 what?
$5 for that.
Okay, so this is the entrance to walk in, and we are walking up to that side. So where's the water park? Wait, the water park. Oh, see there. So they have a water park here. They have the falls. They have a water park here. They have a falls. They have a whole lot of stuff, but stay tuned to the rest of the vlog. This kind of brought me up. Stay tuned to the rest of the vlog to see everything. So yeah, put on your mask, Daddy. Alright, the rest of the walking, we are on it to go down to the bottom where the beach is, the starting of the fall is, because there are different exits on this side going down. But you guys can, you know, do what you want to do. It's all your thing. So Jay, you just blocking my view. I don't know why I'm coming in front of the view of me vlogging. But yeah, so you have this side looking like this over here. But that's what's up. Yeah. Though it's super hot, I am burning up, so not burn me and everything. Yeah. So they have people inside here selling craft things if you all are interested. But it's a banyan tree. Yep. So it's right here. And then you have the picture stop. So right here it's called the picture stop. And yeah, so we're still going down. So that's what's up. they were talking about social distancing. It's impossible here, okay? No social distance can happen. None. Because it's really bad. Really crowded here. So this is it, people. It's crazy. You can get closets up here, but we don't have any lock. Just look at the beach, guys. Look at the beach. There's nowhere for people to go. Look here. So, coming to the beach and in this time, don't come and think about social distancing. Social distancing is going to happen because that's an understatement right there. There's no social distance. Everybody's in one space, no mask, no nothing. So we just had to take up a space on the beach and put down our stuff like that because there's no space for anybody. There's not even enough space for people to walk. Like, ugh, crazy. So we're just taking a space right here on the beach. Anyway, so and this is like my towel to dry off and thing, but who cares? Because there are too much people here. And I am guilty of being here too as well because too much people, man, too much people. Just gotta enjoy and get out of here. Hoping that nothing goes wrong. Yep, so guys, I want to cook something here. I don't know. So yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. Started off the walk for the falls. Watch Micheal down there, so struggling like hell. Maybe a faster one. So yeah. You have oh my god. Okay. No. So every time we reach a point, we have to wait on Shamar to join. Almost like to join. Catch a friend, eh? What's your name? I'm trying to get a bunch of this stuff. Oh my sorry, baby. Alright, so we have completed one section of it. That's an exit over there. That's an exit. And we're going to continue, right? We're continuing, right? Yeah. Really nice. Hey. It's my second time doing this too, as well. Okay. Oh, we are gonna come out. Yeah, go back down. No. What is it? Why? Come on. Oh my god. We're gonna leave Ocho Falls after we go there. Alright guys, so I didn't even realize that I didn't end up the Dunn River Falls vlog. So I'm at home right now editing it, and then I'm like, where's the rest of the video? I didn't remember to come back to get back on the camera and like end it out. Basically when the last part that you guys are seeing, that was basically the finish. Like we had like this major one to go up, and then that was like the end of it. You'll see the sign that says Dunn River Falls. I'll insert the picture somewhere over here. You see the sign that says Dunn River Falls or something like that, welcome to or something like that. So that's the end of that video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please to share my video. Please leave a comment down below. Tell a friend to tell a friend when you're sharing the video. Don't just, leave it like that and, you tell somebody tell that person to tell another person about it. Like my video, subscribe if you haven't, and when you're subscribing, please hit the notification bell. I saw that we got to 2K subscribers, but I do have a celebration video coming for that one. So until then, bye.